Hi guys, here's a really simple bread recipe. Hope you enjoy. In a large bowl or your stand mixer bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of yeast or 1 pack of yeast. In a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of Crisco or vegetable shortening, melted and stirred. Then add half of cup of water, half of cup of warm milk, and 1 beaten egg. Mix dry ingredients together. Then add liquid until incorporated. After mixing, add to your bowl and knead with hand. Set aside to rise for a couple hours. After the dough rises, shape the dough to whatever shape you want. Bake at 320 degrees until golden on the outside. Then remove from oven and brush with butter. Set aside to cool, and there you have it. Simple bread recipe.